Hello everybody, welcome back to another slime. I forgot I was back here. Am I really gonna have to buy a whole range expansion just to... I have the money for it, might as well. Well, welcome back to another Slime Rancher video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Jeez, I'm tired and it's cold. Let's see, last episode we got to the ancient ruins, or the entrance of it. And then I think this episode we're gonna go explore it a little bit. I thought those were gold slime. Yeah, last episode we saw 2 gold slimes appear out of nowhere. I don't know how they gave me the plorts, because they are fed gilded ginger. All those plorts, bro. What am I gonna do with that? Well, we just need that, and that, and I guess we can buy this. There's money I'm never getting back. Well, I guess I could use this. I built this area myself by spreading soil from the moss blanket all over the ground just to see what would happen. I was hoping it would attract the hunter slime or two, but no such luck. Maybe I need to get some of them big mushrooms that grow here instead. They sure seem to like hanging around those things. Maybe we can get some hunter slimes over there. Over the mushrooms. They're not all being fat. Ugh. But yeah, let's go ahead and head over to the ancient ruins. Should be just over there. Oh no. We should better head over there and get rid of those. Where are they? Yo! There's no way. Like, what? I have a feeling that yo was really loud. Sorry, family members. Well, here we go. Where's the last one? Here you go. Is that not all of them? Oh. Oh. It's coming down. Or is it? Yeah, it is. The ancient ruins. Looks like we're about to reach our journey's last leg. What I gotta say. Fascinating, aren't they? Who do you think constructed these ancient ruins? For what purpose? For what purpose? I'd visit this place and ponder that question often. Only one thing's for certain. These folks liked slimes. Eventually, I came to realize that this was a place for and how to utilize it. Will you do the same? I'm not sure, but all I know is I want these little pea slimes. And what am I gonna mix it with? I do not know. What does this do? Opens this. What does it say here? These strange glass doors are a good reminder that you can't always have both. Hit that switch over there and all you like, both doors will never be open. Sometimes you gotta choose one path or another, and there's no way around it. But you know what? Either path you choose is gonna make you hurt some is gonna make you hurt some for one. What? Either path you choose is gonna make you hurt some for want of walking the other. Oh, it's gonna make you want to walk the other path. Map is filled with doors like these. That note is a very good parallel to what happens later. I'm gonna go get to that part today, though. What's up here? Oh, is this like the top? Hello. What do I get? Ooh. Guardian. I've seen more gold slimes than I have. I've seen more gold slimes than I have the less rarer one of the version of that. Ew. You're a Gordo. I'm saving you for later. Luckily for you, last episode we popped the Tabby Gordo, which ate all of my chickens. Just about every single one of them. Here we go. Interesting, so we can get back home through that. Why'd I say it like that? Is that how I leave? Yeah. I want to go over there. Or not. Well, it looks like there isn't too much to explore over here. Remember there being like a lot more. Question is, what slime am I gonna mix these guys with? Actually, hold on. I want to bring home some puddle slimes. These are the only slimes I never hated. Because they're not fat. They don't even want you to feed them. All they want is water. And the water's the healthiest drink you can have. So, if you think about it, puddle slimes are the least fat out of everybody. And they're the best ones. If you don't like puddle slimes, you can unsubscribe from my channel and leave. And I won't be disappointed that you're gone. Well, let's go. We got... Where's the button for this one? Sit down there, maybe? Here we go. Up here or not. Come on. There's the portal. What does this do? Goes over here, I guess. What does this do? Huh. Okay. So there's the portal home. This place is very interesting. Ooh, secret style. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? What slime will we get? The quantum slime. And there's a slime. Key door. Ah! Thanks, man. Well, let's head back home. Looks like we have some star mail. Let's see what's that all about. The van. Casey. It wasn't that bad. You just don't have the fortitude to make it as an artist, I guess. Beatrix LeBeau can climb a mountain before breakfast, but can't spend a few days in a modestly accommodated, breaks down in only half the time, vintage touring van. You were so miserable. I still laugh about it. But I really did appreciate it for those few days. It was a great... What? No, but I really did appreciate it for those few days. It was a great time to have you in the crowd. That van still runs, by the way. Casey. P.S. That was a lie. The van literally caught on fire while we were driving it. It died like a Viking. Awesome. Sounds cool. I can maybe sleep till morning. You know what I just noticed about that? Like, see that little glow right there? It kind of looks like slime. I don't know why I only just noticed that. And I'm kind of sad I didn't until now. But it kind of looks like one of those glittery slimes you'd find. Sometimes I like to take a nap in a moss blanket. But those darn boom slimes always wake me up. Okay, so... apparently they're here too on the range with us, but like, where are they? I want human interaction and not annoying slimes. They're constantly like, feed me! Yeah. Mint mangoes, none. You were the sole survivor still. Looks like we're gonna make a short trip to the Indigo Quarry. Well, first... Wait, no, not Indigo Quarry, the moss blanket. First, I'm gonna go put these guys up. I don't know if they'll be able to keep the quantum slimes, because you don't have anything to keep them in their little cage. Pond. There's my little puddle slimes. Pretty sure that I can only have 3 per pond, so... Like, I guess I can't check. I'm gonna place the quantum slimes right here. Corral. Petals. There you go. And... let's go... I think I know how to get the phase lemons, but I only have veggies on this farm. I need fruit. The phase lemons are what the... whatchamacallit, the quantum slime's like. So... oh, whoops. So we're gonna head over to the moss blanket, grab some mint mangoes, and head out into the thingy. And we're gonna go do the thing. Yeah, I should not ever record again when I'm tired. Because I'm the worst commentator you will ever meet. Oh, buddy, don't even get me started. Did I sound like queso? Well. I like the theme that plays when you're on the docks. I like every theme in this game. It reminds me of like... This game reminds me of like 2016 over at one of your friends' house. No, over at like one of your family friends' house that you tolerate. And it's like the afternoon. The sun setting. I don't know why this game makes me think of that like scenario so much. Where am I going? I need mangoes. I don't know how many, so I'm just gonna grab like 5. I don't think he would make me get 8. Shoot, you know what I just remembered? I remembered the lab. I don't... I hate the lab in this game so much. That's probably why I don't really like Submariner 2 as much as the first game, because the lab kind of just feels forced on you. Like you don't really have a choice about it. think you need it to progress, unlike this game. I don't know. It's always something I just kind of notice, and the lab's too complicated for my TikTok brain. Wait, were you supposed to get over here by going over here? Hello. Goodbye. Come here. Goodbye. No. Get back here. Ah! Stop! I will save all of you. How'd you get over here? Wait, fatty. Get down there. What? There's another one! That's all of them. Okay. Get down, Mr. President. Wait, there's more. That should be enough. Ow. No, there's more! Get out of here. Quit trying to— oh! All of them were unloaded, so whenever I walked over here— oh my gosh! That actually scared the living crap out of me. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be completely honest. That was the scariest thing I've ever seen in this game. Imagine someone tried to make a Slime Rancher creepypasta. Like, how do you make something like this creepy? Like, SlimeRancher.exe. I bought this used copy of Slime Rancher that said do not play at GameStop. And it was in the shady area in California. And I bought it anyway because I really like Slime Rancher. I've been a fan ever since I was a little kid, even though it released in like 2017. And whenever I opened the game, everything was super buggy. So whenever I decided to make a new game, all the slimes on the title screen all had blood red eyes for like 0.2 seconds. So then I decided to not care at all and just keep playing. But anyways, I played again, and then one of the slimes was acting weird, and there was only one pink slime, and there was no other slimes at all throughout the game. I got all the way to the end of Quarry. Whenever I popped the pink Gordo to get the slime key, it looked like whenever I exploded it, there was blood everywhere. And then all the slimes that were released were covered in blood. Whenever I got to Indigo Quarry, there was no slimes anywhere. Then I was just playing through the game normally, and then whenever I got to the final area of the game, the same pink slime that was alone in the dry reef found me and then killed me. And then Beatrix screamed just like that. And then my game closed out, and then I saw a pink slime on my bed. And then I died. The end! That's my Slime Rancher creepypasta. If you steal it or use it without my permission, I'm gonna find you. And you're... Star mail received from Ogden Ortiz. Interesting. My interest is piqued. What could you want? What do you... Excuse me. What do you want? Okay, let's feed these slimes first. Then we're probably gonna end the video here. Probably just gonna go ahead and start seeing the outro. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Make sure to like and subscribe because I like to see big number go up more. And if you want to see more content like this, or you want me to try a new game like maybe Slime Rancher 2, that's not good. They just exploded their poop everywhere. Price sign, I should sell all of this, but I don't really need money right now. Trick shot. There we go, we did it. If you want to see more content like this, or you want to suggest some new content for me to play, make sure you join my Discord server or comment down below. Hi. Eat. I'm gonna plant a garden right here. Scare slime. I don't want these guys being fat. Well, yeah. Good night, everybody. Because it's 10:45 at night. Good night.